What will happen to your body if you plank 1 minute daily for the coming 30 days? The plank is a core strengthening exercise that involves holding the body in a straight line, supported by the forearms and toes. To perform a plank, get into a push-up position, but instead of lowering yourself down to the ground, hold yourself up in a straight line from your head to your heels. There are also many variations of plank exercises to target different muscle groups and increase difficulty. Back to our question. What will happen to your body if you plank 1 minute daily for the coming 30 days? Planking for 1 minute a day for 30 days can do wonders for your body. Here are some of the potential results you will observe. Improved core strength. Plank defines your abs. Planking is a great exercise for building strength in your abdominal muscles, lower back, and hips. By doing it for 1 minute every day, you'll gradually build up the strength in these muscles, which can help improve your posture, reduce back pain, and enhance your overall physical performance. Better balance and stability. Planking also works your stabilizer muscles, which help keep your body in balance. By strengthening these muscles, you may find that you have better balance and stability in other activities, such as yoga or running. Improved mood and energy levels. Exercise in general can have a positive impact on your mood and energy levels, and planking is no exception. By taking just 1 minute out of your day to do this exercise, you'll give yourself a boost of feel-good hormones that can help reduce stress and boost your overall sense of well-being. Increased endurance. Planking requires you to hold your body in a stationary position, which can be challenging at first. But over time, your muscles will adapt to the exercise, and you'll find that you can hold the plank for longer periods of time. This increased endurance can help you perform better in other physical activities and reduce your risk of injury. Overall improvement in fitness. Planking is a full-body exercise that engages multiple muscle groups at once. By doing it every day for a month, you'll likely see an improvement in your overall fitness, including strength, endurance, flexibility, and balance. It is important to note that everyone's results will vary, depending on factors such as age, fitness level, and diet. However, if you commit to doing a 1 minute plank every day for 30 days, you're likely to see some positive changes in your body and overall health. If you have got any queries, feel free to post them in comments section and we will be happy to help you out. Subscribe to our channel Project BodyFit and let's get fit together.